Community organization is important because we can achieve more together than individually. At KU Community Garden, each one of our members is instrumental in maintaining the garden, from our leaders that manage the garden, running our social media accounts, managing finances, organizing community service days. We all have something to offer. In addition, having the space to come together brings opportunities to learn from each other, to grow individually, as well as within our community. I helped foster community organizing within the KU Community Garden from the ground up with a fellow graduate student that has since completed their master's, Tim Burnett. In the fall of 2019, we both were first-year graduate students, and we had been asked to take over the leadership. Soon after, we came up with a goal to create a section of the garden that was focused on donations. After Timber had left, Kayla and Haley soon joined me in the spring of 2020 to help run the garden, and by the end of 2020, we had donated almost 1,000 pounds of produce to Just Foods in Lawrence, Kansas. Any community member of KU is welcome to join us. We offer individual gardening beds to members looking to garden on their own, and we also welcome volunteers that can help maintain our donation plots during service days. From the core basis of probably about 10 students, we were able to bring about a lot of positive outcomes by providing nutritious, healthy food to food insecure families in the greater Lawrence community. We hope to inspire the KU community to support local food systems and encourage them to develop an appreciation for where their food is sourced.